Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix synchronization error in Google Drive. So first of all, we need to update our Google Drive app. So for that, go to your Play Store and search here Drive, and if your drive need to update, then update your drive from here. And now let's see the solution for this problem. Solution number 1, we need to turn on synchronization for our Google Drive. So for that, open Google Drive and tap on your profile photo to the top right corner, and from here note the Gmail address which one is used in your Google Drive, and after that go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on accounts and sync. Tap on Google and now tap on the Google account which one you are using for your Google Drive, and then here you will get this drive option. So all you have to do is just tap on this sync icon and now go to your Google Drive and check the problem is fixed or not. And our second solution is we need to uninstall update for Google Drive. So for that, long press Google Drive app and tap on app info, tap on uninstall, then tap on OK, and now go to your Google Drive app and check the problem is fixed or not. And our last solution is we need to delete Google Drive application from our device and then go to Play Store and reinstall the app. So that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.